Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. I'm about to film another video where I'm reviewing the Mina tinted foundation, tinted moisturizer. But then I thought, you know what, I'm gonna quickly do my eyes. And because I'm wearing this turtleneck top with like, you know, little pearls and so on, I thought, why not to create a makeup look to match this? So I think I'm gonna use some pearls and some green and yellow shades. So this one is the Revolution Pro, the Influence Overnight Shadow Book 1 from 0 to 100. For this makeup look, I'm gonna use my own brand, the Be Beauty The Essentials Eyes Set. If you guys don't know, as I mentioned, this is my own brand. I created everything you see. It's vegan friendly, cruelty free, hypoallergenic, doesn't harvest bacteria naturally, there's no plastic packaging, so it's eco-friendly as well, and it's just pretty. I'm gonna start on with a crease brush, with this one in here. I'm gonna start with this shade. And we're gonna basically go like a line a bit in here and then this part in there, and then gonna use some yellows. Take the yellow shade and basically gonna go on empty part where we still don't have a green shade. And for that, I'm just gonna use the universal base brush. I'm gonna take the eyeliner and brows brush by Be Beauty, and I'm gonna take this a bit darker shimmery shade and go as the eyeliner. I'm gonna go on the crease part in here with this green part as well. Before we're gonna go with mascara and the lower lash line, we're gonna add some, this is not a diamonds, I want to say diamonds. These are like a little pearls. I got this off of eBay. It was under the nail art. Add this on this part in here. So if your line is not like super straight, that's fine because we're gonna cover this up. And then on the liner part, I'm just gonna be literally sticking this randomly, different sizes. So I just applied this Mina Definition Mascara. I tried this for the very first time. It's gonna be in my next video where I review this tinted moisturizer as well. But this is how it looks on. I think it looks amazing. Next thing I'm gonna do a full-on face, do the lower lash line, and we will be done with this look. So back in a second. So face makeup is done. All we need to do is to finish off the lower lash line and we're done. So coming back to the same palette, outer corner I'm gonna go with this shade, and then inner corner with this shade on a lower lash line. And for that I'm gonna use Precision Shadow Brush by Be Beauty, starting from darker shade first. And then a little bit of the same Mina Definition mascara, and we're done. And that's the finished look. Yeah, what do you guys think of this super simple? For me, it's like a lemon zest eyeshadow. Not what I was going for. I was actually matching my top. Kind of like it. It's super easy. I think it's very spring-ish like, you know, because we all craving this, you know, summer vibes and the heat, warm and so on. At least I don't know about you. So this look is absolutely inspired by that. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. As you've seen, it's extremely easy to create. Doesn't require much technique or skills or anything like that. If you're gonna recreate this look, tag me in your pictures. You guys make my day every time you tag me in your pictures when you create my makeup looks, because honestly you guys love to see that. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next. Should I do more similar videos, more reviews, more tutorials? Yeah, what's your vibe? And I shall see you soon. Have a fantastic day, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ciao.